22nd of August 2024. 112, my lord.
112.
Yes, para 9.
Hmm.
Mr. Sibbal, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal and Kolkata police, submits. While this court has permitted peaceful protest, because earlier order, Supreme Court has permitted the peaceful protest, the order should be should not be misconstrued to mean that the authorities are precluded from exercising their regulatory powers. Kindly mark this also, regulatory powers in accordance with law. This court has not injuncted the state from exercising such lawful powers as are entrusted in terms of the law. However, it is very, very important. We categorically reaffirm the peaceful protesters should not be disturbed or disrupted, and state shall not take any precipitate action against those who are peacefully protesting against the incident which took place in Arjikar Medical College. So peaceful protest was not all along allowed by our High Court as well as by the Honorable Supreme Court. And Supreme Court has said the peaceful agitation should not be curtailed by the state machineries. This is the nutshell of the order. Now, Your Lordship, pursuant to the direction, these directions, the petitioners' organization, they have organized a peaceful rally. Now, my lord, kindly turn to my pleadings, para 10, page 7. The petitioner states that on 26/8/2024, in a press meeting, petitioner's son had expressed his idea of conducting a peaceful protest march on 27/8/2024 by the students of the protest for justice against the manner in which the investigation was carried by the state police. The idea behind organizing the protest march was to peacefully agitate against the malafide action of the state police authorities and seek justice against the commission of such the heinous crime. A peaceful protest was organized and led by the petitioner's son on 27/8/2024 to the state secretariat. The petitioner stated that in the eve of 27/8/2024, when the evening of the petitioner's son in a reputed media broadcasting house.
Eve or evening are two different things.
Evening. It's evening. Being ABP Anando for interviewing the panel. To the utter shock and surprise, the petitioner's son was suddenly detained by the Maidan police station from the outside of the media broadcasting house and were taken into custody by the concerned police authorities illegally, arbitrarily, in connection with Maidan police station case number so and so. Now, my lord, your lordship will find from para 12, there are other two cases. On the next day, we have found, my lord, other two cases also where the petitioner's son named in the FIR. Now my prayer is this before your lordship. The peaceful protest was allowed by the Honorable Supreme Court as well as our High Court. The petitioner was, my lord, participating in a peaceful procession. Now, the petitioner's son, he was not arrested on the spot. If anything was found that he has, my lord, hit any of the police personnel or done anything which is not lawful.
Sections that I mentioned, what does it say?
But if, my lord, only one section your lordship will find, that is 109. My lord, kindly marked it. But as others are, my lord, unlawful 147, 148, which is less than 7 years. Only one section, 109, your lordship will find this is attempt to murder. This is 10 years or up to life. So no notice in terms of the new act, section 35(2) is not, my lord, applicable only because of this section. And only this section has been given by the police. Only to, my lord, curtail the personal liberty of the petitioner's son. Otherwise, my lord, they should have, if they wanted to arrest me, they should have provided me, my lord, the 35B notice. That was only to overcome that, my lord, they have incorporated these sections. And, my lord, if I have done anything, my lord, there are almost 10,000 police personnel are there. And they have protected the unruly mob also. As per them, as per their, my lord, although 144 was not there all over the cities. The 144 was there in and around of Nabarno. But the, my lord, the protest was stopped near the AJC was flyover, near, my lord, this Eden Garden, where the police has cordon, my lord, they have made a cordon so that the procession cannot go to the second Hooghly Bridge. So they are stopped there. Some commotion because police has, my lord, they have used water cannon, they have used, my lord, the tear gas, and, my lord, severe lathi charge was there. Number of person was injured. The petitioner's son was not arrested from the spot. He was, my lord, joining a peaceful procession. In the evening, when he went to a reputed media house for the panel discussion, when he was coming out, he was arrested on the basis of three, my lord, the FIR. These three FIR we have challenged before your lordship, and we also, my lord, prayed for any other cases has been, my lord, registered against the petitioner's son. Let them apprise your lordship's court, and in the meantime, my lord, give us interim bail till they file their affidavit in opposition. Because this is clear violation of the Honorable Supreme Court's order, and there is not a single evidence where the petitioner has assaulted someone or he, my lord, the attempt of murder can be legal against him. Let them show one single evidence. The petitioner's son has participated for, my lord, attempt to murder. And kindly see where I have been booked. The allegation they have given 120. My lord, kindly come to 120. Kindly come to 120. How these police persons they are acting, my lord, your lordship will understand. They are more concerned to protect the, my lord, the flags of the other political party rather than doing their own duties. My lord, kindly see it once. This is to inform you that on 27/8/2024, this is a suo motu complaint called 120, my lord, 120. My lord, kindly come to 120. How they are acting, my lord, your lordship will understand everything. What is their actual motive, your lordship will understand from this FIR. This is a suo motu complaint. This is your for kind information that on 27/8/2024, near about so and so hours, information received from anonymous telephone caller that some agitators assembled JL Nehru Road, so and so crossing and being showing their agitation. Accordingly, the undersigned, along with the available force, including the lady force, reported to